Looking in your eyes, I see a paradise. This world that I found is too good to be true. Standing here beside you, want so much to give you this love in my heart that I'm feeling for you.
Let 'em say we're crazy, I don't care about that. Put your hand in my hand, baby, don't ever look back. Let the world around us just fall apart. Baby, we can make it if we're heart to heart. And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now.
I'm so glad I found you. I'm not gonna lose you. Whatever it takes, I will stay here with you. Take it to the good times, see it through the bad times. Whatever it takes is what I'm gonna do.
Let 'em say we're crazy. What do they know? Put your arms around me, baby, don't ever let go. Let the world around us just fall apart. Baby, we can make it if we're heart to heart. And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us.
Ooh, all that I need is you.
Hi, Jam! Happy 3rd monthsary! Sorry kayo ha kung kanira jud akong nahatag na gift sa imo. Jud ko ilan mo na anay hatag. Then, okay lang, at least nag-effort ko, di ba? Bitaw, Jam. Thank you kayo sa tanan-tanan, Jam, ha? Sa love, sa care, sa support, sa tanan. Wala jud ko nimo gibiyaan despite sa akong pinakabati nga batasan nga sumala pa nimo gaagwanta na ka, pero thank you jud kay mo gyapon kong giagwanta balag din ako masabtan. Then sorry po di ay sa akong mga sala nga nabuhat. Bisag grabe na kayo akong sala, mura gyapon kong gipasaylo. Mura akong gisabot, thank you kaayo. Sorry jud kung naa pa man gani ko'y sala nga wala na ko naibalaan. Sorry. Then ayaw kalimot nga love kayo tika. Kabalo ka na, di ba? Nga stop jud kayo tika. Ikaw ra akong nauyab na ingani sa kuha, kabalo na ka na gigna na tika. Then katuro man siguro bitaw ay basta Jam, thank you jud kaayo ha. Sorry, thank you din. Ayaw unta pagbag-o. Gilove tika kung unsa ka. Sana ingana po ka sa kuha. Thank you jud. Wala ko rin masulti. Thank you. Happy 3rd monthsary. Bye-bye!